Guys, it is a tasty Tuesday and things are getting tasty for sure. I love this segment. Mary Ann from Max Meals. And we've got an extra special guest. This is Haley right here.
Haley.
So we're going to make shepherd's pie, but this time with a bit of a twist.
With a twist, what we're going to do is just add some vegetables, cream of chicken. We're going to make it really, really creamy and just delicious.
Cannot wait. Here's what you need. Diced tomatoes, peas, carrots, corn, gravy, the burger, along with the taters, and some cream of chicken soup, and that's what's going to make it interesting. All right, so first of all, we've got to get the taters cooked, but they have to be peeled, and that seems like a great job for Haley. What do you think?
Yes, I think so.
That sounds great.
Kind of like KP duty. Get to work.
Right.
All right. Now we're going to go ahead and start and get this, get the burger browned initially.
Yes, you're going to brown it. You can put a little bit of your spices in there, your Worcestershire, whatever you want in there. Just get it nice and brown.
Worcestershire. No. True story.
Okay, so you're just going to brown your beef. I usually get 93% or at least 85% because you don't want that fat in there. Add a little onion in there and some spices and you are going to be good to go. It takes about 5-6 minutes to brown because it's going to cook in the oven as well. So you don't have to get it hardcore, just pretty brown.
All right, Haley, how's it going?
Good. Got most of them done.
Looking pretty good. You're a good peeler.
Thanks.
Did you ever serve in the military? Did you do KP duty in basic training?
No, my dad did though.
So you came by it honestly. Okay, well, she's doing the burger, and of course, Haley's over here doing the best KP duty. We're going to get an onion ready. Now, you don't want to cry. You don't want to get emotional, especially, fellas, if it's your first date and you're cooking for her. Real quick, simple trick. You go ahead and wear glasses. Yeah, I'm serious about that. You wear sunglasses or just glasses, and that's going to help you. Here's a real quick way to go ahead and peel that onion. You cut it in half, just like that. And then all you do, guys, is take off the peel. And you are good to go. No reason to go ahead and trim it around. You just take off that top layer. So we're going to dice up half an onion for this. We're going to put it into the burger and just let that saute in there. So we'll get that nice and diced up, just like that. There we go. Take your glasses off. See, Ma, no tears. All right. Mary Ann, some onions for you.
Thank you very much. Perfection. You're just going to toss those in there, and you're going to wait till they get a little bit translucent, just clear and not quite as crunchy. They don't have to be cooked all the way, but you want that flavor in there.
So we've got the onions in, the burger's just about done, the taters are just about done as well. Coming up in just a bit, we're going to put it all together, this shepherd's pie, and we've got a twist for you. A couple of special ingredients that Mary Ann puts in. I think you're going to love it. The directions, by the way, at abccolumbia.com. You stay close, we're coming back.